This is a fully automatic all-in-one DTF powder shaker Sublistar DSP-850I S10i, integrating film feeding, powder shaking, suction conveying, drying, cooling, and rewinding. It is designed to meet a wide range of DTF printing needs. After sensor detects the film, the mesh belt starts to convey. Realize unattended automated production. All functions are managed through the PLC Smart Touchscreen. Just one touch, and the system responds with precise control from preheating to rewinding. Preheating takes away the moisture in the powder, allowing the hot melt powder to flow smoothly in a low temperature or slightly humid environment. The added white smooth coating makes the powder feed more smoothly and effectively prevents powder accumulation. The precision shaking system ensures that hot melt powder is evenly applied, enhancing the sharpness and durability of the transferred image. Built-in high-efficiency purification system automatically filters and recycles excess powder, prevents dust leakage, and ensures a clean and safe working environment. Intelligently adjusts the purification intensity to adapt to different powder types, which is both environmentally friendly and saves consumables. With one press of the electric actuator, the oven cover opens smoothly. Adjustable temperature, infrared and heating drying improves and protects color reproduction. User-friendly to prevent hair, clothing, etc. from being sucked in, especially for female workers to protect personnel safety when collecting printed film. Also cools and handles high-temperature curing film for better pattern color rendering. The paper take-up reel system allows you to complete production unattended for a simple and precise workflow from printing to collecting through the roll-to-roll securely rewind. The 850 powder shaker is compatible with Epson, Mimaki, and Roland printers. With powerful performance and stable operation, it's an ideal match for high-efficiency DTF printing. Choose the Sublistar DSP-850I S10i intelligent powder shaker to elevate your DTF production. Faster, more stable, and smarter.